This is a 1971 Plymouth Fury 3, painted in yellow gold with a matching gold interior. Advertised as not an expensive automobile that came with a free automatic transmission with the options of air conditioning and power disc brakes. Chrysler Plymouth called this sales campaign "Coming Through." At 18 feet in length and the width of two Honda Civics, you need to sound the air horn when this land yacht comes through, which is why this is a great car for my guest today, Brad Flower. I've known Brad for about a decade now, and when I heard he had never driven a classic car before, I knew I had to come through and give him an experience to remember.
Oh my god. It is so smooth. This is so light. I was expecting this to be a lot heavier.
That's one of those things that everyone's like, whoa.
Yeah. It's so amazing. I mean, it's so wide. It's awesome, but like, I feel like I have a tunnel with the way the hood design is and the fact, like...
You know where you are,
yes.
You know, when you're driving.
It's super clear. There's just something great about old cars.
You know, the one thing I've always learned with old cars is they make you smile when you're in them. Like when you're cruising in them, it's just like, whoa.
So quiet too. Yeah. So remind me, why is it Goldilocks?
My niece calls it Goldilocks because it's gold.
Yeah.
And the kids, the boys, are the three little bears.
Oh, great. 318. How many horse?
I knew it was like 200.
Yeah.
But it has a lot of torque.
Oh, it's a great way to spend an afternoon, like, yeah. And seriously, this is a gift, man. I don't get to drive classic cars all the time. I love it. This is like, yeah.
That's one thing I was like, people that would really enjoy it.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.